absolutely necessary. It will be that amazing upper body strength of Igede Sudatawa against the undying, indefatigable spirit of Kwat Sung Wen, or will there be a shock from the Vietnamese Le Nguyen in lane number 5? Sudatawa's time this year was 25.04 seconds, and he is gunning his very best to become the first Southeast Asian to go below 25 seconds in this event. Kwat Sung Wen has gotten off to a very good start, and he's stroke for stroke with Sudatawa at the moment in lane number 3. Sudatawa, though, just slightly ahead of Sung Wen, and he is pulling away now. The Indonesian, the missile is heading home. The Bali missile wants it badly. He wants to win back that title that he claimed in 2011, and he wins just ahead of Kwat Sung Wen and Paul Nguyen of Vietnam in 3rd spot. So Igede Sudatawa, who was so disappointed at losing that title to Kwat Sung Wen in 2015, has come out tops again for Indonesia's first gold medal at these SEA Games in swimming.
Ellington had a very, very good start, but you just looked at Sudatawa's stroke rate was so much quicker than Zheng Wen's. So I think he's built as a sprinter, a pure 50-meter sprinter. But again, for the 100-meter backstroke, I think it's going to be a different ballgame. You're going to see Zheng really be able to use the second lap to catch up.
Well, this was the start we were talking about, Gerald, from Zheng Wen, and then from here on, around about to the halfway mark was when Sudatawa just took over and started propelling all the way home.
Exactly. So, I mean, his stroke rate is that so quick, and it's amazing, again, how he catches the water despite that quick stroke rate.
Well, he did say after the 2015 SEA Games that he probably took his eye off this event and the 100 meters backstroke a little bit, took it for granted that he's the best in this region. And because of that, he started hitting the waters again and training non-stop to ensure that he kept that streamline, worked on that streamline as much as possible. And his big aim, Sudatawa, is to win in front of his home fan. He'd be up for this in terms of his appetite for it, because if he is, he'll be the first person, I'm pretty sure of that, to go below 23 seconds at the SEA Games, and maybe even go and attack that Asian record that he now holds.
I think so. I mean, he broke 23 seconds, holds the Asian record at 22.94, I believe, 22.95. So he's the 4th Asian that's ever broken that. We'll see what happens. You never know. With a 50-meter again, with a good start, good underwater, he could very well break that 23-second mark.
Right, so the first event about to start, and that is the start list of the grand finals. Lane number 4, the hot favorite, Igede Sudatawa of Indonesia. No one swam faster than him. In fact, he's 0.34 seconds faster than any Southeast Asian this year. Kwat Sung Wen will have his hands filled in trying to retain the title he won in 2015.
Indonesia.
But I think from this morning's speech, all 3 of them